And now the third leg of the energy market, nat gas, appears to be headed in the same direction. Natural gas futures plunged 9% today, hitting a two-year low. Now, that's welcome news, I suppose, on this first full day of winter, thanks to forecasts for warmer than average temps through New Year's Day and record high production of gas. It's not so welcome, though, if you own natural gas stocks. Take a look here. All the nat gas names got hammered today. Chesapeake down the most, 7.25%. Now, the move in natural gas is good news for U.S. homeowners, as more than half the nation's homes are heated with natural gas and its byproduct, propane. Jackie DeAngelis has more.
Natural gas prices continue to plummet, a near 30% drop since last year, and another leg down today, closing in on $3. The action in nat gas is a supply-demand story. Supply stocks have built nicely, approaching the winter despite last year's extreme usage, but Mother Nature controlling demand, and so far, she's been on our side. This time last year, we were talking about the polar vortex. Now we're talking about 60-degree temperatures on the East Coast on Christmas.
Everything comes down to weather and natural gas. It's been very mild. They're predicting in the short-term future here that it's going to stay mild. And with the North American shale production, predominantly the Appalachian gas, there is a lot of it. There's a big glut of it right now.
Combine the natural gas story with declines in propane prices at 10-year lows, and consumers will be paying a lot less to heat their homes this winter. Then there's the decline in retail gas prices. Consumers getting a big gift from the energy complex this year. AAA saying the national average for a gallon of regular $2.39, 85 cents lower than a year ago. Comparatively low prices for retail gasoline are helping consumers to save more than $450 million a day on gas compared to the highs earlier this year. And that's great news heading into Christmas, as AAA expects nearly 100 million Americans will travel 50 miles or more for the holiday season. That's the most on record.
It's all great for the consumers because there's going to be more money to spend. Let's face it, you're spending less on gasoline, you're going to spend it somewhere else.
How low could we go? Well, if it doesn't get substantially colder, nat gas could touch $3, a huge break from last year's highs over $6. And prices at the pump? Difficult to say exactly, but we could see many more areas of the country dipping under $2 in the near future. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.